Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see in Salesforce Lightning Web Component how to make use of Lightning slash platform Workspace API to open a record as a subtab and also as a new tab in console application. For example, let's start with the demo. So I have this Lightning Web Component where I am displaying related cases for an account record. Here I have two actions. One is new tab and the other one is sub tab. If I click new tab, it opens the case record in a new workspace tab. If I use sub tab, it opens the same case record in a sub tab instead of a new workspace tab. In order to achieve this, I have used Lightning Platform Workspace API. In this Lightning Platform Workspace API, I am making use of enclosing tab ID, openSubtab method and openTab method. Using Lightning data table, I am displaying the case records. Whenever the row action is selected, using handle row action, I am handling the action. So first, using wire record, using get related list records, I am passing the account ID and then I am getting the case records. I am not using Apex. I am directly making use of get related records from Lightning UI related list API. So this will fetch the case records for an account record ID. Next, I have a new subtab and subtab as my actions, and in the columns I am displaying case number, subject and status. And for type action, I am using the actions. Yeah, so here I am getting the related case records, and then I am constructing the case records to be displayed so that it will contain ID, case number, subject, status, and then it will display here. For the key field ID, I am using the ID. Next, whenever they do new subtab or new tab or subtab, it will call this handle row action. Using event.detailed.action.name, I am finding whether it is new tab or subtab. So I have declared that value here, new tab, subtab. So if it is new tab, using openTab method from this Lightning Platform Workspace API, I am passing the page reference. For the page reference, for the page reference, I am using a standard record page, and in the attributes I am passing the record ID using row.id. So here I am getting the row value, and then I am passing the row ID. Action name is view. Same thing, if they select subtab, then I'm making sure that this closing is not this dot closing tab ID. If it is not, then it will return and then it will not execute this. If it is this dot enclosing tab ID, then it will go and use this openSubtab method. Here we have to pass the enclosing tab ID, so which we will get it from here. Here if we just pass the page reference or the URL, it won't work. We have to definitely pass the enclosing tab ID, because for this tab we have to make sure it is opening as a subtab. So the first parameter what we have to pass is the primary tab ID, and I'm using page reference. You can also use URL. In the page reference, I'm using type as standard __ record page, and for the attributes I'm passing the record ID and the action name. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get this sample Lightning Web Component code, which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.